Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
ठीक नहीं अधिकार है ये तो अत्याचार है ठीक नहीं अधिकार है ये तो अत्याचार है
We are doctors and we are not protesters. Our work is to to take care of people, to cure people and to learn.
I'm outside the Delhi Municipal Corporation's Hindu Rao Hospital, where doctors and nurses have gathered here for the past few days to protest over the non-payment of their salaries. They say they were last paid their salary for the month of June. Here they are asking to be paid their salaries and say that they are skilled workers and don't want to be protesting, however have been compelled to do so.
Since day one of the pandemic, the doctors have been working day in and out. ठीक है, अब कोई पेशेंट क्योर भी होता है जब पेशेंट कोई इफ द पेशेंट गेट्स इन्फेक्टेड सो द लोड द पेशेंट लोड एवरीथिंग हैज बीन मैनेज्ड बाय द हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स एंड डिस्पाइट दैट वी हैव बीन वर्किंग साइलेंटली वी हैव बीन वर्किंग वेरी पेशेंटली बट राइट नाउ द मोरल हैज completely broken down because it's been four months the salary has not been paid.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, doctors at the Hindu Rao Hospital have had a tough time getting their salaries. In June, the Delhi High Court took suo motu cognizance of reports related to non-payment of salaries to doctors of hospitals, including Hindu Rao, and instructed the NDMC to release salaries of these doctors. In early June, the Delhi government declared Hindu Rao Hospital, run by the North Delhi Municipal Corporation, as a dedicated COVID-19 facility. The Resident Doctors Association, a body of roughly 250 doctors, wrote a letter on Thursday to the medical superintendent of the hospital saying that if their salaries were not paid, the resident doctors would withdraw from COVID duty Sunday onwards. A total of approximately 60 resident doctors are on COVID duty.
We have been paid till June 15 and that has always that also has been very regular. The last salary which we got that was also after a protest. तो हम तो प्रोटेस्ट कर करके थक गए हैं मैडम. हमारा मोरल बिल्कुल डाउन है. हमारे क्या बोलते हैं बेसिक खर्चे बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज़ नहीं चल पा रही है. आप यू कैन सी when 500 people are protesting, that to healthcare workers, doctors are the last person I guess who would would actually want to go on a protest. We will see, all of us will sit and decide that what has to be done. For now, the resident doctors won't be giving their COVID services.
The resident doctors met the mayor of the NDMC, Jay Prakash, on Friday, who urged them not to withdraw from COVID duty and explain the situation. They said that he only gave a verbal assurance and that they would continue with their plan to withdraw from COVID duty. The print tried reaching out to the mayor but did not get a response, while the medical superintendent of the hospital, Anu Kapoor, said that she was not authorized to speak on the issue. Along with the doctors, even nurses were protesting against the non-payment of salaries.
हम लोग 5 तारीख से प्रोटेस्ट पे हैं. हमें लास्ट मई में मिली थी, मई 2020.
आपकी लास्ट सैलरी मई की मिली है
जी.
तो जून से लेके अभी तक
बिल्कुल नहीं, कुछ नहीं. जब 4 महीने तक किसी को सैलरी नहीं मिलेगी, सारा हमारी सेविंग्स खत्म हो गई हैं. अपने डे टू डे काम करने के लिए मुश्किल हो रही है. बच्चों की फीस है, बच्चों की हायर एजुकेशन है, घर का काम है. ये मीन्स है कि जो रेंट पे रह रहा है उनको रेंट देना है. जो लोगों ने लोन लिया हुआ है, होम लोन लिया हुआ है, कार लोन लिया हुआ है, सारी चीज़ें बिल्कुल ठप है. हम लोग तो बैंकरप्ट हो चुके हैं. हर कोई बोल रहा है हम कोरोना वॉरियर्स हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ बोल रहे हैं. किसी का कोई कंसर्न नहीं है. हमारे इश्यूज़ के लिए कुछ नहीं है. हम लोग बिना खाए पिए कैसे ड्यूटी करें कोरोना में.
While the doctors have taken a decision to withdraw from COVID duty, the nurses are yet to decide their further plan of action and write to the administration. The doctors say that despite withdrawing from COVID duty Sunday onwards, they will continue protesting every day outside the hospital from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain on Saturday afternoon said that due to the doctors going on strike from Sunday onwards, all COVID-19 patients from Hindu Rao Hospital would be shifted to Delhi government hospitals. Jain further said that the salaries of the doctors should be paid immediately as they had made huge sacrifices during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The Resident Doctors Association of the Hindu Rao Hospital has written a letter to the medical superintendent saying that if they are not paid their salaries, they would withdraw from COVID duty Sunday onwards, while the Nurses Association remains undecided. They met the mayor of the NDMC yesterday and have also made representations to various people in the administration and are deciding further course of actions. The RDA remains resolute that they will withdraw from COVID duty Sunday onwards if they're not paid their salaries. For The Print, this is Revati Krishnan.